Are you gonna push it? Are you standing? I always miss it. You did a few steps. Yeah, you did. Oh, have a chew. You're doing a good job. Is that a good chew? Yeah. There you go. There's a few. Oh, hold on. Mr. Brave Boy. Where are you going? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Who do you think you are, Daredevil? You're just figuring this out and you're just gonna take some steps. Oh my.